Hey guys, in this video I'm going to be installing something I've been meaning to do for a while now. I purchased these Mabett sidewall protectors in the cargo area. As you all know, the cargo area gets very scratched up really easily, so I needed to install something there to protect those areas. I purchased these, they weren't given to me like some other Mabett products, but I feel like it's something I really wanted to get installed. So let's do that and check them out. This is a two-piece synthetic leather set that comes with Velcro to stick it onto the side panels of the cargo area. It has the synthetic leather material on one side and then hook and loop on the other. And there's a bag of about 50 self-adhesive Velcro strips. The second panel has a hole cut out of it for the subwoofer. Obviously, first up, open the tailgate and then remove anything that you might have in the back of the Bronco. I also picked up this handy little vacuum recently, which just happens to be the same color as the Bronco. I'll put a link to it in the description below. I just wanted to clean this whole area. I didn't want any fluff or dirt or anything getting stuck onto the Velcro pads. It also has a blower attachment too. Next step is to clean the panels really well. I like to use Meguiar's Quick Detailer, it's worked for me for years. Once you've cleaned the side panels, you want to pull down the rear seats. This is so you can access the hidden areas behind the seats. So first off, I did a quick test fit just to see where the panel lay. That way I could work out and map where I was going to put the Velcro pieces. And then I did the same on the driver's side. I've worked out where I want to put the Velcro now, so it's just a case of sticking it down. As I was pressing these down, I went over them in a circular motion to make sure that the hook and loop grips really well. So this is how I've chosen to lay them out. You'll see that I've strategically placed them so that they go either side of any contours that are on the cargo area. Now you can peel the backing off the first few strips. You'll note that I did not peel off all the backing. I just did it up to that first break in the cargo area sidewall. This means I can get it stuck down exactly how I want to and not worry about it sticking down on the far end. And I can press it down easily on either side of that contour. Pulling the panel back towards me, I removed all the other backing tape on the Velcro. And then I just went and pressed it down firmly on the cargo area panel. Moving to the area by the back seats, I went in through the back door and just pressed it round that contour and made sure it was stuck down firmly. As you can see here again, that circular motion really helps that Velcro to stick down. Moving on to the passenger side, this is how I laid out the Velcro on this one. On this side, it was important to me to line up the subwoofer first, so I removed the backing film off of the Velcro strips and got it ready to line up with the subwoofer. Next, I carefully laid it up against the subwoofer grille. When I was happy with the positioning, I pressed it down firmly. Next, I folded back the flap and peeled off the backing tape. I then slid it back towards me and pressed it down firmly. At the other end of the panel, I removed the remaining backing tape and pressed it down firmly. And then I folded the remaining piece around the end of the cargo panel. And again, went about pressing it down firmly and doing that circular motion to make sure that the Velcro sticks really well. And it really is as easy to install as that. It just sticks on, and it looks great and protects those areas really well. The seats back up, you can see that this is protecting just behind the seats. It gives great coverage on either side of the cargo area. Now you can just put back everything you had in the cargo area in the first place. And here's what it looks like with a heavy-duty cargo area liner in place.
So as you can see, pretty easy install, but you've just got to take your time with being methodical about it. I worked out where the contours of the cargo area were going to be and positioned the Velcro where I figured it would be best used for adhesion. And then I made sure around the subwoofer, I made sure it was all stuck down really well there too. So far, they've been fantastic. I'm really glad I installed them. I don't know how long they'll last in the Texas summer heat with just being stick-on, but for now, as it's kind of getting nearer winter, they're doing a great job and really protecting the back of the Bronco. If you think this is a great idea, there's a link in the description below. If you like the video, give it a like, maybe subscribe, and I'll catch you next time.